Here's a 2014 Lexus CT200H. Reducing your carbon footprint doesn't have to mean losing luxury. This CT200H doesn't stop there either. It also mixes in a heavy dose of performance. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, continuously variable automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, front-wheel drive, and i4 engine. New Car Test Drive observes it's quite an attractive car with smooth and flowing lines from the contours of the hood up to the long roofline and straight back to the spoiler with a cool little lip over the muscular liftgate. Lexus, performance in every detail. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.